Hello, egomaniacs. So I made my first video about the unboxing of the Ego portable work light. And you may be wondering why the screen is dark right now. It is because it is dark right now. You probably can't see anything. Actually, you may see that is a light off yonder. There is the moon. And believe it or not, in front of me is the Ego work light, which obviously is not turned on yet, but it's time to turn it on. And this is the work light. 4 lenses, lowest setting. So, obviously, outside in the middle of the night, I would say that's maybe not spectacular, but it's doing pretty good. Let's go on turbo now. So, as you can see, turbo is much brighter. You may be asking where I am. Well, I'll tell you. In my last video, I made a comment that you can land an airplane with this thing. I still think you can land an airplane with this thing, so I am at the runway of the world's largest cargo hub. Well, I should say the end of the runway, because no airplanes will want to be landing here in the water. So, as we turn around, we can see quite the distance all the way up the hill and all the way down. By the way, I want to give a shout out to Matthew for giving me the motivation to get up at midnight, because it doesn't get dark in Alaska until really late. So there was another question about if this would work for a nighttime game of foosball. I can definitely tell you that it will easily do that, and I'm sitting down on ground level below the light. This is all uphill from here. So if I go uphill and shine it down, by the way, this is much easier to walk with the light on, because I walked all the way down here with the light off. So from up here, yeah, you can easily see the entire area. Actually, you can see the water, you can see the waves, you can see a stick in the water. I think we can go for a little bit of a walk now that we have more than enough light to do the trick. And at the end of this short walk, I'm not going to bore you forever, I'm going to show you another little trick that I learned about the Ego work light that will definitely get me out of here if I'm in a jam. Okay, so this has nothing to do with the light, but I'm going to show you something that's absolutely beautiful about living in Anchorage. Because I am in the middle of nowhere, and what you see over there that is downtown Anchorage, Alaska. Okay. Now that I am over here, I've got the light on. I'm going to show you a little trick. So, I'm going to set the light right here. And you can see it definitely lights the area up pretty dang well. But you don't have to do this configuration. I just happen to like it. You can flip it all the way back, all the way back. It illuminates the entire area really well. And the funny thing is, I don't know if I would necessarily feel this comfortable. I do see somebody coming up with a flashlight. So that's interesting. But I'm not too concerned about it. So, one of the tricks with this light, I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways, because he's still a way off. If you hold down the rotate button, this is what happens. And you have an awesome, extra bright emergency beacon. Once again, don't know who this guy is, so I don't want to deal with this for too long. So I'm going to turn the light all the way up to bright again. It is now back on turbo. And I'm going to start heading back. Maybe I can get into a conversation with this guy about my flashlight. My flashlight's brighter than your flashlight. Well, they appeared to be friends. So, that's a good thing. Okay, with them passed, I'm going to go ahead and run that test again on the, what I like to call the emergency beacon. So I still have the flashlight on. It is directional. So, obviously, if it's pointing in the other direction, well, you're not going to get a whole lot of light. But, let's turn it back again to all sides. Okay. Doesn't have to be in this configuration. I just really like it in this configuration when I play with this. And then hold down. Okay, so I learned that you cannot be on turbo for this to work. But if you take it off of turbo by just going down one, and you hold down, and then you have one heck of a signal beacon. So if you ever find yourself out in a situation where you definitely need to get attention, this is the way to do it. And like I said, this is only pointing one lens in each direction. If I flip it around, point all the lenses in the same direction. Oh yeah, that is really bright. I flip it this way, it's a long way. And this will get attention for quite a long distance. So, this is a test using all four of the lights. on the different settings. I didn't go over the lower settings a whole lot because the lower settings are, well, they're lower settings, and who wants to play with less than the most? So, hopefully this gives you a good idea. Yes, backyard games at night are very easy to accomplish. Yes, I still think you can land an airplane with this thing. And yes, it's around 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna wrap up this demonstration. At this point, I don't want all the attention in the world, so I'm going to knock it down to just one light on low. One light on low still gives me plenty of light to do what I need to do. And that is basically walk on an Alaskan beach in the dark. If you have any questions, want to see any other demonstrations, or if there's any other products that you'd like me to demonstrate, you are more than welcome to leave a comment below. Other than that, Egomaniacs, I am signing off. Okay, Egomaniacs, this was the part I was not expecting. I'm back at home right now because when I had left, I wanted nothing better to do than to get back home. Because when I was pulling out of the parking lot, 3 airport police cars, full lights, flew into the parking lot and surrounded all of the vehicles that were sitting in the parking lot. So, I'm not saying that has anything to do with the fact that I was testing out the Ego Light at the end of the International Airport runway, but just in case, I had no interest in hanging around. Anyways, Egomaniacs, be careful what you do with your light because it may get you in trouble.